Hey, it's Sean from JCMA, and we are here giving small business owners tips on how best to use their marketing dollar. Today, we are talking about email marketing. Email marketing is one of my favorite marketing channels, and most small business owners completely overlook it. Did you know that it costs 7 times as much to acquire a new customer as it does to retain an existing customer? And here's another stat that I think is really awesome too. For every dollar that you spend on email marketing, you can expect to get $40 back in revenue. So the potential benefits of email marketing are really huge. The nice thing about email marketing is that you can do it yourself as a small business owner. There's platforms out there from MailChimp to Constant Contact to you name it, they exist, and it's easy for you to get in there, drag and drop your email content, write your copy, and send it off to your subscribers. So anybody can get started with it. As you get more advanced, you may decide, hey, you know what, I'm ready to engage an agency, and that's where we can come in and help you build those newsletters in a more professional way. Think about subject lines, what time we're sending emails, and also automations that can engage people at different points throughout the buying process. You know, if they visited your store and you need to hit them with an abandoned cart email, or if they purchased from you and you want to hit them back, 2 weeks later and say, what did you think? Write me a review, or the sky's the limit. So when you're thinking about what channels you should be investing in as a small business owner, don't forget about email marketing.